Hello, my amazing investor. How una dey? Welcome to my channel. Now, today I am super excited because I want to introduce to you this our new project which I am standing on. Now, for those of my clients that have been calling me on phone that they need a property that they can buy below 30 million naira. In fact, they need an apartment that they can buy below 30 million naira. I found that property for you. Now, the good thing about this property is it has the opportunity for you to pay instrumentally. Ladies and gentlemen, let me officially welcome you to Glory City Extension. Now, you might be wondering, why am I standing on the bare land? There's nothing happening here. Not to worry. This is the extension of Glory City. In a short while, I'm going to take you to the main Glory City estate where we have our 2-bedroom apartment and also our 4-bedroom terrace. But it's quite unfortunately that our 2-bedroom is sold out over there. Now, the developers of this property says that, okay, a lot of people likes our property. A lot of people want to invest, want to key into this our property. They said, okay, we're going to solve this problem. That's why we brought out the extension for you. So in a short while, this project is going to kickstart. Now, we've done the clearing, we've done the bush, we've cleared the bush, and by May this year, this project is going to kickstart. Now, if you're new to my channel or you're coming across this video for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you get notification anytime I post juicy offers. You will be the first to know. My name is Chuka from Terra Homes Property, and I'm known to bring premium and genuine property to your doorstep. I've been doing this business for over 4 years, and I've helped clients home and abroad to secure property. When I say genuine property, and least I forget, this property is covered with a CFO, so you have no issue with the title document. You have no problem whatsoever from government. As you can see, I've been standing here and there's no form of omonile to come and harass me in this property. So, smart investor, if you invest in this property, you have peace of mind. You have that assurance, you have that guarantee that your project, your property is secure. Now, in a short while, I will flip this camera and I will show you this environment. Where I am now, it's Abijo GRA. You can see the place is serene, quiet. When you hear GRA, you know what that means. Government residential area. The place is usually serene, quiet, peaceful, secured. In fact, everything you need to purchase a property, you have it in this environment. So stick to the end of this video. Watch this video to the very end. I'm very sure you will be glad that you watch this video to the end. So let's go. Okay, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Chuka from Terra Homes Property, and known to bring genuine property to you that will guarantee you good return on investment. So, like I said, I'm in Abijo GRA. This video is tailored for those that really don't know Abijo GRA. I just want to show you the environment of where our Glory City extension is. So this is the entrance. It has 2 entrances. This is one of the entrance to our Glory City extension. Mind you, we're going to have 2-bedroom apartments only on this property. So let me scroll down. This Glory City extension is facing the popular Avocado Smart Home. This is the Avocado. Okay, just hold on. This is the Avocado. And this is Choice Garden Estate. As you all know, the Avocado Estate is located inside Choice Garden Estate. So this is Choice Garden and this is the Avocado. And this is the access way. This is the main Abijo Road. Now, from this place where I'm standing to the Lekki Expressway is just like a 5-minute drive. Remember, I told you Glory City Estate has 2 entrances. So the one I showed you earlier is one of the entrance, and this is the second entrance. Let me zoom so you can see. This is the second entrance. So I just quickly wanted to show you the environment before I go over to the main Glory City estate, because I really want you not to miss out on this, because one of the easiest ways to buy a property along for you to buy, one of the easiest ways to buy property in Lagos is to buy at its pre-launch price. Now this is the avocado, and you can do your market survey, you can do your research how much they sell their 2-bedroom apartment compared to this Glory City right here. You find out that Glory City apartment is very affordable right now. It's still selling at its pre-launch price. Now this is the best time for you to buy now, to buy below the market value. So this is the road, this is the main Abijo road. Straight down, drive down to Lekki Expressway. This is Abijo GRA. As you can see, it's very quiet and serene, you know, very quiet, no noise. If you're back from the hustle and bustle of Lagos, you can just come to your apartment. So this is the avocado, this is the entrance, and this is Glory City estate. So I just want to make a short and quick video about the environment where the Glory City extension is before I go over to the main Glory City to show you the construction, the level of work which we have done here, so you to clear any doubt you have if you're wondering, oh, will this developer deliver? Because what you are seeing right here is a bare land. I can assure you that once you key into this project, you will be very glad that you did. So I'm going to go over to the main Glory City estate. So but before I do that, please, if you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me go over to Glory City estate proper. I'm sure you're impressed by what you see. This is Glory City Phase 1, the main estate. I'm sure this has cleared any doubt you have concerning this developer, if they are going to deliver. Yes, they are going to deliver. This is the 4-bedroom terrace which they are building, and this is our 2-bedroom apartment. But our 2-bedroom apartment is completely sold out. What we have here selling currently is our 4-bedroom terrace. Now we're going to have another unit of 4-bedroom right opposite this one. Is going to come up as soon as we finish this. We're going to start the project of this one, and this is our main entrance into the estate. Now our extension, we have 18 units selling over there currently. We have semi-finished and we have fully finished. Our semi-finished is selling for 26 million naira, and our fully finished is selling for 29 million naira. Very affordable, right? So if you want to buy the semi-finished and you want to follow the process, you want to customize it to your taste, you can go for the semi-finished and customize it to your taste. But if you don't have the time, you want the developers to do the construction and the building, you can go for our fully finished, which is selling for 29 million naira, guys. This is the pre-launch price. This is the most affordable price you can get anywhere. So guys, we have just 18 units and 4 units is sold out on our extension. We've not even started the extension and 4 units is sold out already. It's just remaining very few units. So this is first come, first serve. With an initial deposit of 2 million naira, you can lock a unit, because we understand that you must have a lot of projects which you are currently on. So you can go for outright payment of 29 million naira if you're going for the fully finished, or you can go for an outright payment of 26 million naira if you're going for the semi-finished, or you can pay instrumentally. We have instrumental payment from 0 to 18 months. So guys, we have it covered, and the title on our extension is C of O. So call the number that's showing on your screen and I'll bring you here to secure a unit or more. or if you're available for physical inspection, you can come and I will take you to our property for you to see for yourself. But if you're not available for physical inspection, not to worry, we do virtual inspection. So this brings me to the end of this video, and if you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notification. Anytime I'm posting a video, you will be the first to watch this video, and share this video to a loved one. Drop a comment what you think about this property. Until I come your way next time, thank you and God bless you.